Welcome to the exam preparation guide for the Google Partners Display Advertising exam. The display exam includes basic and advanced concepts, including best practices for creating, managing, measuring, and optimizing display ad campaigns across the display network. The primary topics include learning about the Google Display Network, setting up a display network campaign, showing your ads on the display network, reaching your audiences on the display network, measuring and optimizing performance on the display network. So let's first talk about the Google Display Network. The Google Display Network is a collection of websites, including specific Google sites like Google Finance, Gmail, Blogger, and YouTube, where AdWords ads appear. There are multiple types of ads that can appear on the display network: text, image, including photos or artwork, rich media, including animation or other types of motion, and video. The placement of ads in the display network are across a large collection of websites, mobile apps, and video content. The Google Display Network reaches 90% of internet users worldwide and includes more than 2 million publisher sites like NewYorkTimes.com and Weather.com. A benefit of using the Google Display Network is the expansive network of diverse sites, which can allow users who are using other ad networks to fill niche gaps as well as mass-marketed sites through AdWords targeting options. Product listing ads, or CPC ads that merchants produce through AdWords, ads appearing on Google search pages to the top and bottom of the results, feature a product image and are tailored towards product and product categories, helps increase visibility and click-through rate. Let's talk about the display network ad auction. AdWords uses an ad auction to determine which ads to show, the order those ads will appear, and how much those ads will cost, based on ad rank, which is based on your max CPC bid and quality score. Ads are ranked among other advertisers' ads based on ad rank. Quality score is comprised of expected click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. Landing page experience includes download speed of the page. If a page takes too long to download, your customer may leave the site without doing anything. This can negatively impact your quality score. You need to make sure you place your call to action above the fold, which is the part of a site that doesn't require a user to scroll down. Otherwise, users may not see it. When competing for the same ad unit, if the ad rank of a cost per 1,000 impression placement targeted ad is higher than the combined ad rank of all competing keyword targeted ads, then the placement targeted ad will be the only ad to appear in the ad unit. This could be both competition between different users and ads in the same account. Let's talk about search network with display select. These are the text ads that can appear when people search for terms on Google Search and Google Search partner sites that match keywords, and they can also appear on relevant pages on the Google Display Network. It is beneficial to include a text ad in the same ad group as an image ad when advertising on the display network to ensure maximum coverage, because some publishers don't accept all ad formats. Text ads are easy to edit as well. There are benefits to separating search and display campaigns too. Different campaigns are often more effective with different settings. Through automatic image extensions, Google's matching algorithm will pair text ads with stock images. This is helpful when starting out in display. Setting up a display network campaign. Setting up a display campaign. Marketing objectives control what settings are available based on what you are trying to accomplish in order to help you create a good campaign. Build awareness. Why? Introduce customers to what you offer. Who? All potential customers. And how? Ads across the web. Influence consideration. Why? Influence customers before they act. Who? Customers considering various options. And how? Ads that inspire customers to explore your products. Drive action. Why? To win new customers. Who? Customers who are ready to decide. And how? Ads that act customers to act now. If you select no marketing objectives, you unlock all features and options to run a campaign exactly how you want. You'll also set your budget, ad schedule, bid types, and other settings. We'll go over these as well as different ad types like Lightbox ads in the coming slides. Flexible bidding strategies help you maximize your campaigns. You should pick them according to your key performance indicators. Strategies adjust bids using auction time details like device, browser, location, and time of day. Before you use the display planner, your first step is to determine your overall advertising goals. The display planner will help you accomplish those goals. It generates targeting ideas and impression estimates and historical costs. It provides ideas for display network targeting methods, impression estimates, and historical costs, and estimates on how ideas may perform. And one-click download. Now let's talk about the ad gallery and the benefits of using the ad gallery. It's beneficial for differentiated products and services, for more effective campaigns, a no-cost ad template, customizable ad styles, industry standard ad templates. Here are some best practices. Be explicit about your calls to action. Balance your ad content. Try different ad ideas. Include prices, promotions, and exclusions. Provide a relevant landing page. Test different ad sizes. Go mobile. Here are some tips for creating effective display ads. Effectively use text, images, and color schemes. Don't just throw things together. Experiment with different ad types and designs. Balance the content. Check the look of the text in the images. Check and test how ads look in each size. Take advantage of templates in the ad gallery for ideas and inspiration. Create your own custom images that match your site. Generate your display ads based on existing text ads for campaign and message continuity. And highlight your call to action. Include prices, promotions, and exclusives. Enhance your ad with ad extensions. Display ads can include extensions, extras like phone number, location, or a link to a specific page on your website. Extensions tend to improve ad visibility and can help improve your click-through rate. Some extensions are manually added, others are automated. Here are some types of manual ad extensions. An app extension, sending to a link for downloading your app. A call extension that lets people click to call your business. A location extension that shows where your store is. Review extensions that showcase positive third-party reviews. Site link extensions that links to another page on your site. And call-out extensions that adds descriptions of what you're offering. There are certain types of automated extensions, and most types of automated extensions exist outside of the Google Display Network. The ad gallery lets advertisers easily create and change your ad text. Let's talk about mobile app install campaigns. These are geared towards getting more people to download an app. AdWords can help customize targeting, keywords, and ads. You can gauge campaign performance by tracking installs as conversions. On the Display Network, you can reach people while they're using apps similar to yours. You need the app package name for Android and/or the app ID for iOS of the promoted app to start promoting your app. Dynamic and Lightbox display ads. Create dynamic display ads. With dynamic remarketing, you can create a feed of all of your products or services along with attributes like unique IDs, images, and prices. When ads are shown to people who visited your website, details about the image they viewed are pulled from your feed into these ads. These make the ads more personalized and can tend to lead to higher conversion rates. Dynamic ads are mostly used for Google Display Network remarketing and show the most relevant product to the people who visited your website thanks to our recommendation engine. You can create as a text, image, or HTML5 ad to showcase products or services from your feed. HTML5 is easy to update and doesn't require plugins. There are preferred layouts which include multiple product carousels, cropping your images to fit the ads, star ratings, and more. AdWords can predict the layouts that are likely to perform best for the people, placements, and platforms where they'll show, making your dynamic ads even more effective. Lightbox ads are a suite of interactive, rich media ad formats that help connect customers with a brand message. Users can interact with the ad by hovering a mouse pointer over the ad, expanding the unit, playing the video, or tapping for content. Ads can be a video carousel, an interactive game, or a catalog. And they're available in standard interactive advertising bureau sizes. After customers interact with ads, load rich media in either within an ad or in an expanded canvas. Formats include Ready Lightbox and Custom. Ready Lightbox ads are built using the Ready Ad Gallery in AdWords. A custom Lightbox ad must have a format hosted in DoubleClick Studio. Here are some editorial and professional requirements. Google only allows promotions that are clear, professional, and that lead users to content that is relevant, useful, and easy to interact with. There cannot be an unclear promotion, unclear relevance, unsupported superlative, or competitive claim. It must be useful and not difficult or frustrating to navigate. Conform to style, spelling, and grammar rules. If your ad violates policies, your ad may be disapproved, domain disabled, or account suspended. To fix a disapproved ad, edit it and meet the requirements and resave the ad. Ads must not mimic a function they do not do. Value track tags are placed in the URLs, not in the ad. Now, let's talk about showing your ads on the display network. Target settings on the display network. Settings give you more control over where ads appear. You have two options. The first is target and bid. This restricts ads to showing for targeting methods you selected, like keywords. It lets you set bids for individual targeting, like $2 for buy soccer balls. Based on your display keywords, ads can show on pages about soccer. However, if you want to reach soccer fans specifically, so you target the affinity audience, soccer fans, and set both targeting methods to target and bid. The second option is bid only. It doesn't restrict ads to showing for targeted methods you've selected. It lets you set bids for individual targeting, like $2 for soccer fans. Using the same example as previously, you have a preference for ads to show to soccer enthusiasts, but you don't want to limit your ad to this audience. You will set display keywords as target and bid, so your ads are shown based on your keywords. Set interest and remarketing to bid only, with an increased bid on soccer fans to increase the chances your ad will show to people with that affinity audience. Here are some advanced targeting combinations. For direct sales campaigns to reach a specific audience, add a few targeting methods to ad groups that are set to target and bid. Then ads can show only when specific targeting methods you've selected match. For brand campaigns to reach as many people as possible, don't add too many targeting methods to your ad group, but may still choose to add multiple targeting methods so you can set bids on a particular one without significantly limiting your reach. Now, let's talk about managed placements. Placements are locations on the display network where ads can appear: a website, specific page on a site, mobile app, video, or ad unit. For example, if you know of a website that your customers visit, add it as a managed placement. Managed means targeting a website, mobile app, or ad unit. A placement has to be part of the display network for your ads to show. You can add managed placements to the campaign type display network only and search network with display select. If one of your display ad groups isn't serving due to incorrect target and bid settings, you should set all targeting for the ad group to bid only and at least one targeting method to target and bid. DoubleClick Ad Exchange is a partnership with the Google Display Network for buying and selling advertising. Another market for advertisers that shows ads to a wider audience. Negative keyword and language. To target website about specific topics, you'll want to use target topping that lets you place ads on website pages about topics like agriculture, music, or cars. Topic targeting is best for having ads that are contextually relevant to the site they appear. You can use topic targeting in combination with individual placements and keyword targeting. Add negative keywords to your campaign. When you add negative keywords or keyword exclusions for display network only, your ad won't show to people searching for those terms or visiting sites that contain those terms. With negative keywords, you can do the following. Prevent ads from showing to people searching for or visiting websites about things you do not offer. Showing ads to people who are more likely to click them. So what makes a good negative keyword? Choose search terms that are similar to your keyword but signal that people are looking for a different product. Make sure to correctly set up your ad's target language. Language targeting lets you choose a language of sites you'd like your ad to appear on. Google will show ads to customers who use Google products such as Search or Gmail, or visit sites on Display Network in that language. AdWords doesn't translate ads or keywords. Custom ad scheduling and advanced mobile and tablet options. Using custom ad scheduling. For campaigns with all features enabled, you can use custom ad scheduling to specify certain hours and days when you want ads to show, set bid adjustments to increase or decrease bids for specific days and times. Advanced mobile and tablet options in display network only campaigns allow you to target specific operating systems, device models, carriers, and wireless networks with display network only. Advanced mobile and tablet options are not available for other campaign types. Let's talk about bid adjustments. Bid adjustments let you show ads more or less frequently based on where, when, and how people search. For example, a click may be worth more to you if it comes from a mobile device at a certain time of day or from a specific location. The Display Network tab. This is useful for determining where ads show on the display network and is only available for campaigns that run ads on the display network. There are different types of targeting methods and exclusions to consider. Contextual, that matches relevant site content. Keywords, that target or exclude by page key phrases that don't match your products or services. Topics, target or exclude by page or site central theme. Audience, reach a specific group of people, such as interest categories. You can target or exclude by interests or affinities, like outdoor enthusiasts. Remarketing, target or exclude by people who've visited your site. Demographics, target or exclude by age group or gender, like males 18 to 24. Placement, select or exclude specific websites and apps. You can target sites, mobile apps, and videos, like example.com with managed placements, or exclude any automatic placements using exclusions. Site category options allow or exclude by display network categories, like live streaming videos or sites about crime, police, and emergency. Frequency capping allows you to control how many impressions a specific user sees over a given time. Reaching your audience on the display network. Use remarketing to reach past website visitors and app users. This can be a strategic component of advertising that drives return on investment. In order to use remarketing in Google Analytics, you'll need to link your Google Analytics and AdWords account. There are different ways to remarket. Standard, showing ads to past visitors as they browse the Display Network website and use Display Network apps. Dynamic, shows dynamic ads to past visitors with products and services they viewed on your website as they browse the Display Network website and use Display Network apps. Retailers can leverage the Google Merchant Center feeds for dynamic remarketing. Remarketing for mobile apps. Show ads to people who have used your mobile app or mobile websites as they use other mobile apps or browse other mobile websites. Remarketing lists for search ads. Show ads to past visitors as they do follow-up searches for what they need on Google after leaving your site. Video remarketing shows ads to people who've interacted with videos or YouTube channels as they use YouTube and browse the display network videos, websites, and apps. The dynamic remarketing tag collects data such as the IDs of the products or services that people viewed on your website, the types of pages viewed, and the total value of items. Create a feed for your dynamic display ads. You create a feed of all products or services along with attributes like unique IDs, images, and prices. When ads are shown to people who visited your website, details about the items they viewed are pulled from your feed into these ads. There are different types of feeds for different business types. For example, an airline might create a flight feed. People who visited the airline website might then see ads tailored to the flights they searched for, viewed, or started to book. Reach people similar to your current customers or with a strong interest in your products or services by using similar audiences. Similar audiences are defined as consumers that share characteristics with your current site visitors but have not visited your site. In-market audiences are audiences of consumers who are currently searching and considering buying products or services like yours. They are in-market and are great for advertisers focused on getting qualified conversions. In-market audiences can help drive remarketing performance and reach consumers close to completing a purchase. Reach people who have an interest or a brand in your product. Affinity audiences are audiences with specific interests, such as skiing. Select from these audiences to reach potential customers and make them aware of your business. Custom affinity audiences are advertisers that can dig deeper into an audience. Instead of reaching runners, a running shoe company can run a marathon runner. You can also target people based on demographics such as age, gender, and parental status. For example, non-parents are unlikely to be interested in your new line of baby clothes. Reaching your audience on the display network. How to increase brand awareness. Customers interact in many ways: watching videos, playing games, spending time on your website, and social shares. Utilize placement targeting, rich media ad formats, and vCPM bidding. Reach your relevant audience. Increase interactions with your brand. Build more positive brand associations. Increase brand loyalty. Motivate customers. Use placement targeting and use different ad formats as well as a smart bidding strategy. Bid on viewable impressions using viewable vCPM. You only pay for impressions measured as viewable. Bids optimized to favor ad slots become likely to become viewable. Measuring sales and conversions. The report editor creates tables and charts in AdWords by different segments: campaign, placement, ad group, keyword, and you can use reports to find out what sites were your ads appearing on using the placement report. You can track managed placements and automatic placements. Mouse over rate can help you identify what image visitors to your site are spending time on without clicking through, which usually indicates the need for a stronger call to action. User engagement measured through click-through rate. A view-through conversion happens when a customer sees an image or rich media ad, then later completes a conversion on your site. View-through conversions are useful for more accurately measuring the impact of your display campaigns and for giving you even more performance data to leverage when optimizing to increase response. To implement view-through conversions, you need to have conversion tracking enabled and have checked the box next to view-through conversions in the Customize Columns menu in AdWords. It is beneficial because it measures the conversions where a customer saw but did not click a display ad on the Google Display Network before completing a conversion. In turn, this can help determine the best places to advertise. Advertisers should wait 2 to 3 weeks before analyzing a display campaign performance in order to ensure a collection of enough statistical data. Measuring sales and conversions. An AdWord conversion occurs when someone clicks on your ad and performs a behavior on your website that you consider valuable, such as calling your business or making a purchase on your website. When you use AdWords to increase conversions or sales, you can use a free tool called Conversion Tracking to track the number of conversions, cost per conversion, and conversion rate, as well as keyword conversion data and data on landing pages. Here are some statistics to measure whether or not your campaign is successful. The number of conversions and cost per conversion. The number of conversion is the total number of conversions earned through your campaign, while the cost per conversion tells you how much you need to spend to get each conversion on average. Your conversion rate is calculated by the number of conversions divided by the number of ad clicks. It helps you track how many clicks lead to valuable actions. Keyword conversion data shows you the same information but based on keywords instead of ads. By knowing this, you'll also know which keywords are best at encouraging customers to take action. Then you can improve your keyword list based on your findings and make smarter investments in your best keywords. See how customers interact with your ads across devices. Sometimes potential customers click your ad on one device and then make a purchase on another. Landing pages. See which landing pages are leading to the most conversions. Evaluating ad performance. After you look at your sales and conversions, go back and see what worked and led to the most sales or conversions. This will allow you to refine and direct your ads more successfully. AdWords is organized in 3 layers: account, campaign, and ad group performance. You can customize a view to fit within your key performance indicator requirements. An account is associated with a unique email address, password, and billing information. Explore your data on the Campaigns tab. The Campaigns tab lets you track campaign statistics and view specific data for ad groups, ads, or keywords, and customize how it's all displayed. Campaign optimization. Optimize display network ads and campaigns. You should use HTML5 to build your ads. Flash is deprecated and also does not work on all devices, both of which impact your performance and reach. Here are some ways to optimize. Organize campaigns by theme. Each should be a collection of ad groups. Your ad group should have multiple ads, and the ads should match the targeting methods you choose. Write great ads. Create the most compelling ads you can. The display network supports a variety of great ad types and formats. You can use the ad gallery to create custom ads based on the look and feel of your website. Here are some questions to keep in mind as you start creating your ads. What type of person is browsing placements you're targeting? What action do you want that person to take? Do you have special offers or features on your site for this person? Can you show this person a unique page that will make them more likely to take the action you'd like? Have you tested multiple versions of your ad to find what works best? Effectively target your ads. The most powerful way to reach certain audiences are to refine keywords, use placements and topics, exclude websites, and remarket to people who have already visited your site. Adjust your bids. Monitor and manage to make sure you're getting the most from your daily ad budget. If you target only the display network, you can use your ad group default bid and set individual bids for your targeting methods, like a keyword or placement bid, or set bid adjustments for specific targeting methods. Have default bids. If you don't have a custom bid for when your ad appears in a placement that matches your targeting, AdWords will use your ad group default bids. Have custom bids. If you're enabling custom bids for a single targeting method, for example, topics, AdWords will use that bid when your ads show on websites related to that topic. Use bid adjustments. To gain more control over when and where your ad is shown, you can set these at the campaign and ad group level. Keep an eye on your ads performance. Use conversion tracking and monitor which websites, videos, and apps have displayed your ad can help you avoid impressions on placements when your ads don't earn clicks. Maintain a high-quality ad campaign for the best possible visibility. Your ad placement on the page is strongly influenced by your quality score and bid, and ads should lead to a relevant landing page. Display targeting optimization. Let's talk about target CPA bidding. This is a tool that helps maximize conversions given the cost per acquisition, or the amount you'd like to pay per conversion, goals. You set your own target CPA. It focuses on conversions or converted clicks depending on the bid metric you choose. Using historical information about campaigns, it automatically finds the optimal equivalent CPC bid for an ad each time it's eligible to appear. Google Analytics allow advertisers to see which site referred visitors with the most time spent on site. You still need to pay per click, but you don't need to manually adjust your bids. In order to use it, you need to have a certain number of conversions in the previous 30 days. Let's talk about display targeting optimization. Targeting optimization lets AdWords add high potential targeting to an ad group in your display network only campaign, helping you find more customers at a similar cost per customer. Automatic targeting is a type of targeting optimization that helps you show ads in the right place at the right time on the display network. It works in addition to the targeting you've already set up for your display network campaign. This works best for advertisers who want more customers, help identifying the best targeting to reach the most likely customers, to maintain the current cost per customer or conversion. There are two types of targeting. The first is conservative. Use this when you need to maintain your current cost per customer or your CPA. And aggressive. Use this when you want as many conversions as possible. And that's all. Let's talk about the exam. You will have 120 minutes to cover 98 questions, and you need a score of 80% to pass. To become certified, you must pass the search exam, and you must also pass one other exam. If you need additional resources to help you review, you can review the Display Study Guide, the AdWords Help Center, and the Google Partners page. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck on your exam.